You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name. This is also a word in French, as well as how to say more French words, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In English this would be said as Roy, right? But in French it is said as Roi. Roi, meaning king. This is the old spelling of the word king in French. Roi. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least. It helps me immensely. Thanks for your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.